Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and SLGs, designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today, I'll be sharing with you what fits inside my Michael Kors mini pouch. And you can see this is a very cute, very nice colored pink, and also a very nice hardware as well, because the hardware is colored rose gold instead of the common gold hardware. So this is a very nice one detail. But before I show you what fits inside this pouch, I would like to share with you some of the things that I have bought. They are not bag things, but they are beautiful and pretty things that you might want to buy as well, probably. I just want to share it with you. So the first item that I got, this one, is a set of measuring spoons, and it is in rose gold. I think that is very pretty, and I just want to share it with you. Next, I also bought another rose gold, and it is a very nice pen, rose gold pen, so very nice. Next, I also bought this one. It is also some kind of a rose gold, but not as pinkish as the other ones. But this is a very nice container that I also bought. I am currently placing my beauty oil in this very nice oil container. Next, I also bought this one. This is not rose gold, but this is gold. I wish they have rose gold so that it would also match my other things, but this is not, this is really hard to pass. I really wanted to get it as well. It's very elegant looking tape dispenser, so I bought it as well. And the last thing that I bought, I really wish they also have a rose gold in this design, but this one is also gold. And this one is a bottle opener. You have a keychain and a bottle opener, but I removed the one that was placed there, and I placed a chain to make it into a bag charm instead. I will also be putting the video on making a video on that, how I did that. And one good thing about this one, that I was planning to use this as a safety tool. There are a lot of designs that I have seen on Shopee or also Amazon and Walmart. I have seen the safety tool. I will put the picture right here. And I think that's very basic looking, and I think this is very pretty and girly and elegant. And I will be using this as a safety tool when I press on the elevator or ATM machines. I don't know, this tip will be very useful to me, so I'm using this as a safety tool. So very beautiful. So these are not bag things, but I just want to share them with you because they're also very beautiful things, or if you want to interested to buy them as well. I will link the links on the description below in case you're interested to buy this cute stuff. Now I will share with you what I put inside. I carry in this Michael Kors dome pouch. So I will start on this pocket. I have here my magnifying card, magnifying glass. It's very useful to me. Okay, next inside I always carry this one, my thermometer, thin thermometer, and I have some band-aids and some cream, small hand cream, and I have my Saint Raphael medallion. So in the middle portion, the main compartment, I have here a mini wipes. Then I have my mini tissue pack. Then I have a hair tie. Then I have this one, a ladybug design. This is to carry so that you will not put your bag on the floor. This is to, you will hang your bag right there, and this on the top of the table. Bag, this is a bag tool, I forgot what it is called. And then I have here some extra alcohol, and then I have some cream, hand and foot cream. Then I have my, this is sunscreen on a sachet. I have here some, my lip tint, and then I have my chapstick, my favorite menthol stick, lifesaver, some extra emergency medicines. I have here a fan. You can see this is a folded fan, and then it opens into a, because the Philippines is a very hot country, sometimes you need to carry some fan. And then I still have some things, the pin that opens my SIM, a small eye makeup, and the last thing, this is an extra plastic. And the last thing that I have inside this very cute Michael Kors pouch is my, this is my rosary. I carry it inside my bag, my rosary. And as you can see, the inside of this one is very nice. It has the logo, and in this part it has also the logo embossed. Is that embossed? Engraved in this. It can't be focused. Yes. So there you go. This is a beautiful pouch, and I think it is similar to the cosmetic case of Louis Vuitton. I'm not really sure, but I'm just thinking that it looks somewhat the same on the shape and the size as well. So here are the beautiful things that I have bought. I have to share with you the rose gold things and the gold things that I have bought. And thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and always remember to thank God for all these beautiful blessings. See you next time. Bye.